one of the things that, funny enough, just happened a little bit before we started our podcast here is the IPC material callouts. There is a lot of confusion still in the industry of what these callouts mean, what they entail, and then the materials that are associated with them. Back in 2017, there was a major update to IPC 4101 that changed the nomination of what materials are grouped under which category. And we still see materials being called out with the old spec with the intent of using what the new materials are. And it's hard both from our perspective when the customer is expecting material certifications that call out a certain slash number, and we're technically providing what they're calling out, but we can't put the number that they're calling out because it no longer meets that material certification. And trying to sometimes we're communicating with an assembly house that not necessarily may know the intended design requirements. So then they have to go to their end customer and confirm whether that's the material that they need.
What we really need is to have a good handle on our designers looking through their fabrication notes. I know in a lot of cases the idea is to just reuse the same material callouts as we did on the design from before and the design from before, and you quickly miss that update to that IPC 4101 spec, and especially when it's a part that's a medical or an aerospace or a military part where the design was produced 5 to 10 years ago, but the specs change over time and the material availability changes over time, and so there's got to be some diligence and willing to discuss with us how to get it up to speed and make it so that we can provide you what you need from a design intent. We're pretty good at being able to help make that transition in materials because we've been living with it every day. And so that's what we want to be able to do with our customers, is have those conversations.